So, anyways, got my new bike today. I'm running the TD 350 Fit frame, 21 inch. I've got a McNeil stem, BSD giraffe bars, premium forks. They're pretty hot, I like those. I got Odyssey Aerospace rims, golden profile mini front and back hubs, demolition tires, what else am I running? Good question. I'm running a Primo sprocket with, what cranks are these? Shit.
Giant.
Right, thank you. Giant cranks with twisted Odyssey PC. I totally said that all backward.
KMC. Keep it classy.
Oh yeah. And seat. Alright, I do have a seat. And yeah, same thing. It's a giant seat off my old bike. And also running Shadow Mini pegs with the sliders. I don't know if you can see those. I quite like them. They slide great on the parks. Not as great for street with the plastic sliders. Just street ledges, they rip them up a fair bit. But all around, quite like the setup. And definitely recommend the hubs and frame. Just so all you that like to find out what hubs sound like. And that's my bike. Hope you like it.